Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and it's a limited edition Look Fantastic unboxing. And it's a collaboration with Look Fantastic and Omorovicza. Look Fantastic is a massive online beauty store. They do monthly subscription boxes, which I unbox on my channel, and they also do limited edition boxes. This box goes on sale today, which is May the 17th. Now the value is £95 and it has a retail value of £275. But if you subscribe to Look Fantastic, or if you're planning on subscribing to Look Fantastic, the monthly beauty subscription box that costs £15 a month, then you can get this box for £75. That's a huge saving of £200. Now all details related to this box will be listed down below, so click underneath this video, you will see show more, click on that, that will bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. I was kindly gifted this box by Look Fantastic in exchange for doing an unboxing video on my channel. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. Oh, it's got in here how to pronounce it, and it's Omorovicza. So I say Omorovicza, but it's not Omorovicza. You're not going to see it properly, but woo, there you go. So as always, I'll put this down to the side of me, grab an item, show you, and refer to this little booklet that it comes with. Discover the creative properties of Hungarian thermal waters with a Look Fantastic X Omorovicza limited edition beauty box, a skincare brand unlike any others. Omorovicza's story is one of healing, natural ingredients, cutting-edge scientific innovation, and rich heritage. Formulated with mineral-rich ingredients from the heart of Budapest, this carefully curated collection of iconic products is designed to soothe, nourish and visibly rejuvenate your skin. So inside the box are 6 products, and it tells you all about the products here, and it tells you the cost as well, so I can tell you that as we go along. And then it just tells you a little backstory about how Omorovicza started and where they get their vision from. And it's got all about the ingredients, pure ingredients, so none of those nasties. It's got about new products coming out, and it's got tips for the summer using all their products. So yeah, so let's start then with the first item. Let's show you the first item. We've got a Magic Moisture Mist, and this is 50 mils. So the packaging is very simple and very classic, and it tends to be the same packaging in all the products that I've had anyway. And yeah, it's just smart. It just looks smart on your dressing table. Magic Moisture Mist. Anything for moisture, hydration, glow. I'm all for it. I love it. Working with a Hungarian Nobel Prize winning laboratory, Omorovicza Cosmetics developed and patented the healing concentrate to deliver all the potent minerals occurring naturally in the Omorovicza's healing waters deep into the epidermis. Okay, so it'll tell me more in the leaflet, but you can use it on the go as well. So you can use it in the before makeup or all throughout the day. Oh! I never know what to expect with a spray. Some sprays are like whoosh, and you have to be really careful. Oh, smell. But no, this one is quite fine, I think. Oh, yeah, no, it's nice. Oh, it just smells like spa. It smells like... I love facial sprays. Absolutely love them. The information says that this is worth £65, and it says this liquid moisturiser, powered by an innovative 2-phase formula, makes weightless hydration a reality. When combined, the oil and water phases enrich the skin with pollution-defying antioxidant plant stem cells, as well as nourishing essential oils. Skin appears dramatically revitalised and regenerated. It just says shake well before use, close eyes, spray the face for touch-free hydration on the go. Spray the mist on top of your makeup to lend the skin a natural looking glow as an extra tip. So that's the first item. Then we've got a reviving eye cream, and this is what it looks like. So there you go. I recommend retail price for this is £82, and it says this reviving eye cream addresses puffiness and minimises the appearance of dark circles. Instantly absorbed and silky smooth, it provides long-lasting hydration, while a subtle scent of cucumber refreshes and soothes tired eyes. After cleansing, gently dab along eye socket using ring finger. And an extra tip, keep reviving eye cream in the fridge for a cooling effect upon application. So no, really looking forward to trying that. So that's the second item there. Next we've got a thermal cleansing balm, and this is 50 ml. Ooh, not much of a smell. What you'd expect a balm would look like. Let's try it out without my nails going in there. Ooh, I'm gonna have to wipe that off now, but yeah, just wanted to see what it was like. Feels like a cleansing balm. That's what it does. It feels exactly like a nice cleansing balm. This cleansing balm is worth £55 and it says thermal cleansing balm harnesses the power of transformative Hungarian moor mud rich in calcium and magnesium to draw out impurities. This gentle black balm cleanses without stripping, removing all makeup, even waterproof mascara, to leave skin feeling soft and hydrated. Apply a small amount to dry skin and massage well, including the eye contours. Work in circular motions to cleanse. Remove using a damp, warm Omorovicza cleansing mitt or face cloth. And it says thermal cleansing balm can be mixed with an exfoliator for a more gentle exfoliation. For best results, leave on for 5 minutes as a mask before removing. So that's that item there. Next, we got a daily vitamin C, and this is 5ml. You see, that's what it looks like there. What is this then? They're all very nice, natural, subtle smells. They're nothing strong, nothing, you know, overpowering or nothing. It's just nice. Yeah, no, I can just smell it. What? I don't know why I'm showing you. It's a vitamin C gel, so what's it say about it? This is worth £14.50 and it says capturing the power of 2 vitamin C sources, antioxidant-rich sodium, ascorbyl phosphate and kiwi berry. This milky serum provides essential daily protection against environmental aggressors while stimulating the production of collagen for a more youthful-looking complexion. Apply after cleansing and toning, suitable for daily use. Mix a couple of drops of daily vitamin C with your hand cream to combat hyperpigmentation on your hands. Oh, that's a great idea. Okay, so that's that item there. Next we got something in a little guard, and this is a rejuvenating night cream, and this is 15ml. So it looks like that. It seems very, very thick and luxurious. Oh, it just smells nice. Yeah, it's definitely more like a nighttime cream. You can tell the difference between night and day, definitely. It's absorbing well into my skin, but it's a thick cream, so you know it's going to do its stuff while you sleep. But no, that feels quite nice. Again, nothing to see. Nothing to see, but let's see what it says in here. So this pot is worth £34.50 and it says this buttery night cream helps dry skin to restore and hydrate overnight. Soothing and comforting upon application. Hazelnut peptides work to lend skin a plump and firm appearance, thus minimising the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Awake to skin that feels fresh and rejuvenated with a youthful glow. And it says apply evenly to face and neck after your evening cleanse. And as a tip, use rejuvenating night cream as a flash mask treatment for an instant boost in hydration. Perfect to prep the skin for makeup. So there's that one. And then lastly, we got a pot of, what are we, Midnight Radiance Mask. And this is 15ml. It looks like a jelly, yeah. That's so nice. What's it smell of? So nice. It is. It's like a blue little jelly. This is worth £24 and it says packed with salicylic acid and sand lily extract, this brightening night mask reveals a radiant glow at dawn. A cooling blue gel seems to melt into the skin, helping to reduce the appearance of dark spots and discoloration for an even, smooth and radiant complexion. Apply this leave-on mask in the evening following cleansing and toning. And it says use Midnight Radiant Mask after an AHA exfoliating treatment for a quick at-home peel. I'll just go through them one by one just to recap on what I had, because it's easier doing it that way than just showing you in full. So the first item is a Magic Moisture Mist. Then we got a Reviving Eye Cream. Then we've got a Thermal Cleansing Balm. Then we've got a Vitamin C Serum. Then we've got a Rejuvenating Night Cream. And then lastly, we've got a Midnight Radiance Face Mask. So those are all the products. I'm really excited to give them a go. I'm really grateful for Look Fantastic for sending them to me. Omorovicza, I've got to keep that in my head now how to say it properly, is an amazing brand, and I do get excited when we have some of their products in subscription boxes, which we do now and again. It's just lovely. It's just lovely. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you think this is a lovely limited edition box? There's no denying that the value is there. If you're a subscriber, you can get it for £75, saving £200. But if you're not subscriber, you can get it for £95. So still a good saving of £180. The cost includes shipping and it ships worldwide as well. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.